Hello! Welcome students. In this topic, we will learn about monitor square butt joint on aluminium sheet 3 mm thick using gas tungsten arc welding.
At the end of this topic, you will be able to prepare aluminum sheets as per dimensions. Set the square butt joint. Weld the joint in flat position using the GTAW process. Inspect the weld for any surface defects. Now let's look at the tools required for monitor square butt joint on aluminum sheet 3 mm thick using gas tungsten arc welding process. Steel rule, scriber, ball peen hammer, tri-square, tongs, steel wire brush, filler rods, welding torch, key and spanner, helmet type screen, gas regulator cum flow meter, welding power source, shielding argon gas cylinder, tungsten electrode, foot switch, center punch. Now let's see the pre-welding preparations for a square butt joint on a 3 mm thick aluminum sheet in flat position using gas tungsten arc welding. Cut the aluminum sheet. (150 mm length by 50 mm width and 3 mm thick). Set the sheets in square butt joint. Use tungsten electrode for welding. Tack weld joint at equal intervals with uniform root gap of 1.5 mm. Now let's see how to perform the welding process of a square butt joint on a 3 mm thick aluminum sheet in flat positions using gas tungsten arc welding. Set the square butt joint on the welding table. Select the various parameters as given and set them accordingly. Clean the edges of the aluminum sheets. Use the stainless steel wire brush for surface cleaning. Use tungsten 2 mm dia electrode. Adjust the current as per guidelines. Weld the joint in flat position using leftward technique. During welding, a temporary backing is to be given on the underside to support the penetration bead. Maintain a uniform short arc throughout the welding. Avoid an end crater during welding. Now we will look at the important points to follow for a square butt joint on aluminum sheet 3 mm in flat position using gas tungsten arc welding. Ensure the electrical connection are tight. Use proper color lenses. Do not see the arc with bare eyes. Wear proper clothing. Always earth the welding machine properly. Go along the leftward direction. Lack of penetration. Cracks. Blowholes. Recap.
In this topic, we have learned to prepare aluminium sheets as per dimensions, set the square butt joint, weld the joint in a flat position using leftward technique, inspect the weld for any surface defects. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye!